A lot of people swear by vision boards, but I'm going to show you in this video something that's even better because it'll help you take your ideas from your vision board and formulate a plan with actionable steps to actually achieve the things on your board. Now, if you don't know what a vision board is, we'll take a look at an example, but it's basically a big board where you paste a bunch of pictures of things that you want to get out of your life. Who do you want to be? How do you want to live? What things do you want to have? What people do you want to be around, etc. Really anything you want. Just think of your perfect ideal life. Where do you want to go? How do you want to live? So here's an example because I was too lazy to make a physical board. I just put some images together on my computer. So up here we have a house, because I want to have my own house. Right here up in the middle is a picture of my daughter, and I put a happy face over her just to respect her privacy. But basically this was a picture. We were on a recent trip. We were having some dinner and she looked really happy in this picture. This just symbolizes that I want my daughter to be happy. I want to be a good dad. I want to give her a good life. Over here we have the stonks meme because I like this meme. Really, I just need to make more money. Plain and simple. Down here we have a guy riding a bike through the city. I just think that would be such a cool lifestyle to bike around the city, live in a big city, because I live in a boring little crappy town. I would like to live in a city and have a more active lifestyle, I guess. Here's a camera. Here's a microphone over here. I want to continue to be creative. I like to create videos and music, and I don't want to lose that stuff. I want to continue to pursue those arts. Over here we have a laptop, a coffee mug, and whatnot. I want to be able to work from home or work from wherever I want. So that's something I'm still trying to figure out. I do have a small home-based business right now on eBay, but it doesn't quite give you flexibility. You've got to be on it and you've got to be centered with your inventory so you can ship stuff out when it sells on a daily basis. All that, I mean, the biggest thing is I want to work from home. Eventually one day I'd like to work anywhere and be my own boss and all that. So I have a little silhouette of a guy on a treadmill. I want to get in shape. I want to get in the best shape of my life. I want to lose a good 60 pounds. I was going to put just like a big muscular dude, but I'm like, yeah, I don't need to stare at some dude with his shirt off. I'm just going to put this. Airplane, I want to travel more. And down here is somebody wandering the streets of Japan. Always been a dream of mine to go to Japan. I'd love to spend some time there. So we got travel, we got money, we got arts, we got working, we got a house, and most of all, we have family. So really though, taking a look at this, I mean, this kind of thing could be great if it inspires you. That's the whole goal. You look at this and you're reminded of what you want to get, so you get to work, right? So you get motivated, inspired, keep on keeping on. But it doesn't tell you, just hit the microphone stand, it doesn't tell you how to get any of that. You're not just gonna vision something, stare at a picture, and manifest it to happen. It's just not gonna go that way. You're gonna be sitting at home in your 30s like me, hating your life, and you haven't done anything. So without any further ado, we need to come up with a plan to get these things. So we need something better than a vision board. We need to make a plan. We're going to make a new board. So looking at this board right here, my board, I can see that basically there's a lot of different variables in here, but basically the big things are three things. My big goals are going to be family, money, and health. My big priorities right now, my big goals: be a good dad, be a good family man, give my daughter a good life, make more money to help make all that happen, and improve my health, get in shape, lose a bunch of weight, put on some muscle. Okay, that's all good and dandy. So these are my main focuses. But now what? Well, now we got to break it down further and come up with actionable steps to work toward those goals. These are way too vague. And if I go down here to health and just say, lose weight, that's aside from the point. I already know that I want to lose weight, but what can I do to make that happen? Well, okay, let's come out here. Let's make another point. I can go to the gym. What else can I do? I can get rid of junk food, sugar. And let's say, what else can I do? I can make a pledge to eat, let's see, fruit or veggies every time I eat. Every time I eat, it has to be something with fruit and or vegetables. Those are three specific steps. No sugar, always eat fruits and vegetables every time I eat. Doesn't mean I can't eat other things, but the more good, healthy, nutrient-rich, low-calorie things you're putting into yourself, the less of the other stuff you'll have room for. So I think this sounds like a pretty good plan. Again, this is just an example. So no guarantees, no promises. Okay, what else? Okay, family. So how can I be a better dad, better family man? Well, spend time with my kid. So spend time, that's a little too broad. So when am I spending time? Let's back this up, because that's implied. I already know I need to spend quality time with my daughter. So let's say breakfast. Make time for breakfast in the morning together. I don't know, nightly TV or something. We can watch TV together at night. We can chill, talk. Again, this is just me. I mean, to me, watching TV with somebody in the same room together, it can be a way of bonding and getting closer. You can talk to each other at the same time. Some people think, oh, that's not good bonding. That's not quality time. I don't know. You know what? Me and my dad, we watched cartoons together. We played video games together every night. And those are some of my, I really appreciate now the time that he took. And he invested in things that I liked doing. And I think he liked doing them too. We had fun together. And my dad also shared a lot of valuable lessons with me. He taught me a lot of wisdom, even during those times, during commercial breaks, or when something contextual would come up. He'd share stories with me and just talk to me about life and things. So I think that stuff can all be very good quality time. I definitely cherish those memories, and it reminds me how much my dad cared about me. I really cherish those memories. So anyways, these are, again, just examples. So I'm going to say be open. Always be open to talk, always be available. And that's part of my goal about working at home, is that I can be available and be there for her whenever she might need me. So there we go. We got 3 actionable steps. I mean, this one's a little vague. How about, I'm going to say Sunday adventure. I used to take her out on forced Sunday adventures. Every Sunday we go hiking or something like that, get outside, do something fun out of the ordinary. We've kind of fallen off of that. She just isn't really into it, but I'm going to put it down there because it's more of an actionable specific step than just being open. I should just know in my heart to always be open and be patient, be able to listen, be able to talk, and just be there for moral support, emotional support, whatever else. Okay, then over here we have money. So a few things I can do to make more money, all right? So I have an eBay business I'm struggling to grow. So I can say, I'm not just going to say work on eBay every day. I'm going to get more specific. I'm going to say list 15 items a day. Every single day, list 15 items. That's one thing I can do to grow my business and make more money. I just got to be consistent. I've got to list more items. What else can I do? I can do side gigs like DoorDash or Uber or anything else. What else can I do? I can create merch designs to sell on Amazon. I can also create content. And that, again, I'm being vague about this. For you, it might be shoot one YouTube video every day, or write one blog post every day, write one song every day, or it can really be anything you want. But as you can see, you've really taken those ideas, the things you want from your vision board, and you've turned it into something, you've turned it into a game plan where you have this now. I know every day to be a good dad, to make this happen, to keep this, I know I'm going to spend time every day. We're going to share breakfast together. We're going to go out and do something fun every Sunday. I'm going to spend some time at night where I just turn off my phone, put away everything, forget about whatever else I'm doing, and just be present. And we can just chill and watch TV. That's fine. My health, this guy on the treadmill right here. What is he doing? Well, I can stop eating sugar. I can force myself to only eat healthy stuff with fruits and veggies every meal. I can go to the gym every day or every other day or whatever the goal may be. Again, get more specific. This is just an example. Money, stonks. I need more money for that house and to go live in the city and to go on adventures and travel, all that stuff. Take care of my kid, be a good dad. Money, love it or hate it, we all need it. And it makes everything else easier, right? So what can I do to earn more money? I can list 15 items a day on my eBay store. I can work side gigs a couple hours each evening. I can design merch every day, or every once a week upload a new design. It doesn't have to be every day. Same with content. Upload a new YouTube video once a week, or every Monday and Friday, or whatever works for you. Write a blog post, do whatever you do. I've taken these vague ideas, these visions that I have in my mind, and I've formulated a plan to get them. That's the whole idea. You want to take specific action towards those goals. Don't just stare at a picture and expect your life to change. You've got to change it, and you've got to figure out what steps you have to take to make those changes, to move yourself in that direction. And I think this is just a good exercise, a good little mental exercise here. Get you thinking about it in a different way, in a practical way. What's it going to take to get what I want? What do I need to change right now? What actions do I have to take? What do I need to work on? What do I need to give up? So start with a vision board. That's great. Copy and paste pictures of whatever you want your life to look like. But take that and break it down into actionable steps. And I think you'll have a lot more success that way. I can't guarantee you that everything you want is going to come true. Not right away. Maybe not ever. I mean, let's face it. Life happens. We don't necessarily get everything we want. We're simply not in control of everything. But this at least lets us figure out what we are in control of, what we can do to work towards that life we want. So I hope this helped you in some way. I encourage you to give it a try. Yeah, I wish you all the best in your endeavors. And if you want to come along with me on mine, and I'll do what I can to help lift you up, give you ideas, keep you motivated if possible. Yeah, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Go get those goals. Let's go.